Ooh. Okay, switch.
Okay, we got a big guy on there. Look at that guy. My bobber's under. Quick. My bobber's under. Ready?
Okay, switch.
Look at it. Oh, got one. Holy crap. Got one.
Yeah, going 8 like nigga.
That's huge.
Move out the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow. Chains on skateboard P. Bling
Pike.
blow.
Oh,
Chains on skateboard P.
oh my god. Oh my god, I got a pike. Look at that.
Out the way, please don't be a hero.
Alright.
Bling blow. Chains on skateboard P. Bling blow. Chains on skateboard P. Hey, yeah, made that money on a Monday.
Come here.
Yeah, red runway. Ooh, don't throw that money on the runway. Yeah, red runway. Yeah,
Got him.
took her on a double
Pike.
date. She tryna eat good steak up on a plate. Gucci on my feet. Ooh,
He's not
Gucci
huge,
on my face. Yeah,
but he is something. I'd say 20s.
yeah, hurry, woo. Don't make me flurry,
27?
Stacking my money, woo. Yeah, we make a movie, boo. Yeah, going 8 like nigga. Move out the way, please don't be a hero.
And just like that, Fred is now gone.
Chains on skateboard P.
My bobber just went under.
Yeah, going 8
Aiden, I got a fish.
Move out the way, please don't be a hero.
Watch.
No.
No, you gotta let him eat it.
No.
Chains on skateboard P. Yeah.
Perch. My drag.
Big perch.
Ooh, yeah.
Get him in.
Yes.
I've been buying Louis, I've been shopping. Gotta get it, ooh, yeah, no option. KY run me back, KY run me back. Switcher on the track, switcher on the
Yeah.
track. Tokyo that
Thank you, buddy.
crack, that crack. Baby, run it
Uh-oh. Oh, there he is.
back.
Yeah. Oh, that was a massive fish. Oh no, it was. Oh my god, that was not a pike, I don't think. But that's probably the biggest fish I've ever seen.
Going 8 like nigga.
No, it looked like a
Please don't be a hero.
lake trout. It looks like a lake trout. You know, out there, that was either a giant pike or a lake trout. I don't think they're in here. It looked just like a lake trout. Oh, that looked huge. Oh, perch right there.
There's another school.
Oh, that was a pike. That was a pike. Yes, it was.
No, it wasn't.
It was long. Either that or a giant bass. Oh, look at the.
Maybe he wants it still, right?
Yeah. No, I'm pretty sure that was a small pike. Oh. Start reeling.
Yeah, I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Yeah. I got standards. Diamond near Flanders. Ooh, yeah. Kool-Aid jammer. Cookie pack on camera. Up next. When you a boss, don't take a loss. Count up a check. Soul plate, never late. Go on dates.
I tried to set the hook.
Just start reeling. Don't stop the hook. Just start reeling.
Oh,
Oh!
Net.
Where is it?
Giant crappie.
Where's the net? Oh! I never caught a crappie before.
That is my personal best crap.
Diamonds, they drip like a lake. Ali a 10, K flip.
I'm recording. Oh, that's the biggest crappie I've ever seen.
Crappie I've ever seen.
Wait, can I touch them?
That was massive too.
Yes.
I'm gonna release him, okay?
Okay.
Ready?
Go. Oh. It's the first time I've ever touched.
Loaded with fish. We got a bass and a crappie.
Oh, my minnow's been out.
Uh-oh.
Yes.
Big crappie.
Here, bud.
No, that's not the same.
Oh. No, that's not.
Crappie are big in the rim this year. Really big.
That's my first crappie I've ever caught.
Aren't they cool looking fish?
They're very cool. Is it like a sunfish and a bass in one?
No. It's a little species.
Look at this.
Hold them up.
Yeah, I got standards. Diamond
Oh my God.
Oh, yeah, you got one.
Cookie pack on camera. Yeah. I got
Oh.
standards.
Very
Diamond.
nice. Oh, perch. Not huge, but nice. This place is the money spot.
He swallowed the hook.
He did?
Yeah.
Yeah, because he's minuscule. He's bite-sized to these other fish. I have... No, I don't.
You're gonna kill yourself, buddy, if you keep on putting that shark. Oh my God, look how plump he is.
He's very plump.
Oh, look at his throat. See it? My God, feel how hard he is. This thing's a solid piece of muscle.
Oh. He's not big enough to eat, though.
You get a nice little nugget out of him.
Nice plump little guy.
Got it out.
You did?
Yeah. But I am almost 100% sure that he's dead.
That's too bad.
He's dead. I'll take the tins away. No way.
Same way.
On a double date. She tryna eat good steak up on her plate.
Got him?
Oh, yep.
Gucci on my
Crappie.
Ooh, Gucci on my
Crappie.
face.
Yes! Oh, my bobber's going too. It was.
Whoa. Don't freak out.
There's some big crappie over here.
Hurry, woo. Diamond McFlurry, woo. Staking my money, woo. Woo, yeah, hurry, woo.
Where?
Flurry, woo. Staking my money, woo.
Over here?
We make a movie, boo. Yeah.
That was a cast.
Like, nigga.
Yep, it's going.
Yep.
Please don't be a hero. Bling, blow. Chain on skateboard P. Bling, blow. Ooh, chain on skateboard P. Yeah. Going 8 like nigga. Move out the way. Please don't be a hero. Bling, blow.
Yep.
Chain on skateboard P.
Yep. Yes, double up on crappie. Come on. We gotta get a picture of our crappie.
The minnow's still there. Minnow's still flopping. Oh, his teeth hurt. Here, bud.
Ow. His spine actually went really low.
Really?
Yeah.
My hook's out. If you want to get a picture.
Wait, we need another picture.
Oh, low battery. 5%.
Don't be a hero. Bling, blow. Ooh, chain on skateboard P. Ooh, bling, blow. Ooh, chain on skateboard P. Hey, yeah, made that money on a Monday.
I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks.